Hello, and thank you for your interest in this course that describes this concept of movement, variability, and expertise. This concept of movement variability is one that I have to say completely changed the way I look at dance and the way dancers develop expert movement. It's something that I didn't consider as a dancer, and I really enjoyed this idea of a fixed technique within ballet technique, but this concept of movement variability has just really changed my mind and changed the way I look and approach learning movement. So in the course, I'll cover the biological mechanisms, the reasons why variability, so inconsistent movement, is unavoidable, but how variability is also essential for dancers to learn to move, and how this process of making errors in movement actually helps them to become better dancers. I'll then take that information and look at how it applies to the difficult task of the pirouette, a movement that many dancers struggle with, and I hope that the course will maybe bring some new insight and give you some new ideas for how you might change up the routine in the studio for helping your dancers to achieve pirouettes. I'm really excited because the research that I talk about has just been published in the Research for Dance Education journal, and it's open access, which means you can click on the link in the next section of the course and download the paper for free and share it with your friends, and it's just open access knowledge for you to share and disseminate however you feel. So in the course, I give you a summary of the paper and how I think it relates to dance, but of course in the course I can highlight how it has really changed my mind about how dancers move. So I hope you enjoy the course. I hope you enjoy the materials. Please have a look at the paper and have a read through it in depth. And if I do my job correctly, it will change your mind about how you look at dance and how dancers learn to become expert movers.